We are associated for the last 8 years. We've been doing this for the last 8 years for Retail Jeweller. Every year we get nominations across the country. Nominations come to Retail Jeweller. It is actually a two-stage process. You have the first stage, which is an online selection process. What you're going to do is you're going to take all the entries coming across the country from all the jewelers, from all the retailers across the country, shortlist them, and then go through a process of online, what we call the online judging process. So normally we have a panel of 10 to 12 people on the panel who normally judges these pieces which are coming from the various jewelers or the retailers across the country. So the first stage is, of course, the online judging process, as we call it. At the second stage, what we do is the shortlisted entries go to the second round for actual physical verification. So for every category, there are some 10 categories that we have in total. For every category, the shortlisted entries actually move to the second round of actual physical verification. Again, the same panel of judges would be evaluating each of the categories one by one. Their evaluation are actually taken into account. We obtain a kind of a score for each of the categories, a combined score of all the 10 judges. Depending on the scores which each of the entries in each of the categories that they get, you come to the number 1, number 2, and number 3. And that particular entry therefore becomes the winner for the particular year. So that's in broadly how the entire evaluation happened. This year we found a very good response coming from the judges. They were quite happy with the kind of entries that we got, from the retailers. It was quite a task because for certain categories we had about 18 nominations, 20 nominations, 22 nominations. And many of them with a lot of interest, they were actually trying to take out the entries, they were trying to actually physically verify each of the entries and try to understand whether it actually merits the number 1 or number 2 or the number 3 position in the reckoning. So it was all very involving, very engaging. They found it very interesting. A lot of ideas and suggestions came for improvements also from the judges, which we have taken into account, and from the next year we plan to implement some of these ideas which has come from the panelists. I hope it's an ongoing process, and a lot of retailers would find this something which is worth sending their entries to. Yeah, way to go, Retail Jeweller. Anyone. Anyone. It depends on the category for which you're nominating. For instance, if it's about innovation, then accordingly you would be sending your entries. If it's about broadly diamond jewelry, then you would be sending a different kind of a nomination. Then we had another category which is the Jewelry Designer of the Year Award. For that particular category, it is about individual jewelry designers. So the individual jewelry designers would therefore be sending their own entries for this particular category. So it all depends on the category for which the entries are being requested for. What, sorry? Yeah, it depends on the category. Again, there is a colored gemstone category. So if there is an entry for that particular category, then of course that kind of retailer can participate. There's no problem in that. So we keep it really wide open. It's anyone and everyone can participate across the country. We got this year about 800 entries or something like that. So it was 800 entries, and then it was shortlisted down to about 250. So that's how big and wide the nominations were. Yeah. No, I mean, suggestions are always welcome from the judges especially. I mean, whatever suggestions for improvement, etc. are being thrown up by the judges, those things would be implemented from the next year onwards. And we look forward to what really happens for the next year. Of course, the event is going to happen in a few days from now. So during that event, again, all the participants would be there, the judges would be there, the panelists would be there. So we look forward to that particular event, which would happen, I think, on the 25th of July. So Just keeping the fingers crossed how it goes. That's about it.